Hello, welcome to this video. From the blog, we move over to Layout Manager, and on getting to Layout Manager, there are few changes we can do here. Here it says, in this section, you could select one of the available layout design for a number of sections throughout the website. So this doesn't change the entire website, but just few sections. Look at this. Look at the top of this website. Then let's choose this minimal, for example, and say save changes. Then let's go reload and see the changes that's going to happen. You can see the top bar here has changed, and it has something to do with minimizing all the things we have at the top here before. So this could be good for a mobile view or something of that nature. So let's come back here, return it, then sticky navigation bar on and off. Here it says turn off this option if you don't need a sticky navigation bar. So it's turned off. That's why we have nothing sticky here. But let's turn it on and see how it's going to look like. So let's go and reload, and after that you can see this is now sticky. So you choose whatever you want, and we move over to the next one, which is a mobile button. Turn off mobile button. It simply means that when you visit your website on a mobile view, you can see these mobile buttons. There are 4 of them. Do you need to turn them off? If you need to turn them off, then here is what you need to do. You come here, turn it off, and say save changes. Then let's go check if they are still there. So I'm going to reload this page now because they are still here. So I reload and it's gone. So that is the function of that. I'm going to turn it back on. The next one says search bar on custom pages. Let's open one of them and show you what I mean. Example, custom pages such as privacy policy, about us, etc. Let's open one of them. Here is checkout. You will understand that this search bar has no function on this checkout page. So how do we get rid of it? You simply come here, turn it off, and save changes. And let's go and check. Let's reload, and it's gone. So I'll come back here and turn it on. Let's go to search styles. We have different styles, but here is something we need to understand here. The selection will work on all pages apart from the home page. So whatever you do here does not change anything on the home page, because on home page search bar will be used from template. This will be noticeable when we search for something. For example, I'm on the home page now. Let me search for car and say search. This is how the search result is. But let's change it to something different. Let's try this and say save changes. Then let me come and reload that same page. Brother, let's do the search again. Search for car. You can see that our search bar is now square at the edge. So let's choose a different one and say save changes. and go to the home page, then repeat the same search. I'm going to search for car and say search. You can see a different search bar for this. So just come here, try anyone you like, go to the home page and do your search and make your choice. Here is a different one entirely. So I'm going to go back to the version of the template we're using. Here says premium style. This selection will work on all pages other than the home page. On home page, design will be used from the template. So same thing applies to this. You could make your choice and see the outcome. Now it's time for category styles. This is the kind of style you see while searching on categories. For example, let's go back to this. So let me select a particular category and you see what we have here. Let's use upper and see the outcome. So like I said, you just have to make your choice, and that is that about that. Now pricing plan style. This is our pricing plan. Let's view that. And here is our pricing plan. What we're going to do right now is to change to this one and say save changes. Then I'm going to reload and we see a different pricing plan. If we change to Canary and say save changes and we reload, we are back here. So we'll close that. So from there we'll move to the next one, which is a category icon source. Our categories, where do we get the icon from? It is set to custom image icon. If you don't want that, you choose font awesome icon, and when you choose that, you have to provide, as stated here, do you want to use font awesome or your own image for the category icons? So here we are using the custom image icon. The next one says category icon path. You choose from parent category, or you have option to choose from child category. Here it says, do you want to use parent category icons only, or do you also want to use icons in child categories? If you select child categories, then you have to upload icons for all child categories. So we choose from parent categories. Single ad page, we have version 1 and version 2. So let's see what that looks like. So we're looking for a single ad. We open this single ad, for example. So we see the structure. It's search bar at the top, the image to the left, and information about the site user at this side, and add details below. Let's just choose the version 2 and see the difference. So I'm going to come here and reload this page. As you can see, the image has been reduced. I'll have some shift to the left to accommodate the author information. So this is kind of compact. I'm going to go with this one. I like this one, so I'm going to leave it on version 2. Alright, the next one here is the author page style, and it's set to full width. Let's see what that is. Author is someone who posts an ad, and here the author here is an admin. So let's open that page and look at the page. There's no sidebar on this page, so let's see with sidebar, and I say save changes. So I'm going to reload, and we're going to expect a sidebar. and here is the sidebar. So choose whatever you want to do. I leave it at full width. The next one is the footer style, and that is what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 columns. If you change it to 3 and say save changes, then let's go reload and see what it looks like. We have 1, 2, and 3. What about minimal? What does it look like? Let's see. And here is minimal, designed for mobile view. So I'm taking it to 4. And footer bottom style, here menu is selected and we have menu here. So if you want your social icons to replace this place, you choose social icons. Category description, here it says, do you want to show category description on category page? If yes, turn this on and hit save changes. And with that, we've come to the end of this layout utilities. Let's go on to the next one, which is home layout manager. This is what is responsible for the arrangement on the home page. Let's go check our home page. So here we're looking at front page. Our front page is a home page v4, which is canary. So when we come here, we're going to look for v4. Here is v4. So these are enabled on our home page. So whatever we remove from this part will be gone from our home page. For example, let's get rid of everything here. Everything is gone. So we'll say save changes, and let's go back to the home page and reload, and you can see everything is gone. We have just the footer here. So whatever thing we impute here is going to be what we're going to have on our home page. So the ones you want to be displayed are the ones you're going to add or enable, and ones you don't want to be displayed are the ones you're going to add to this disabled side. So that is simply how to go about this section. So we'll move on to the next one, which is a landing page manager. When you come to the home page layout, you can see we have the home page layout manager line. We have home page version 2, version 3, and up to version 7. The way it's arranged is that some segments that are on home page version 1 may not be available on version 2. But when you use the landing page here, when you use the landing page template as your home page, then you have the option to select any segment from all the layouts. All the layouts are listed here. Look at them, there are so many of them. All of them are here. So just select any segment and add to your home page, and you will have a unique home page. With that, we have come to the end of this video. The next one is going to be Ads Manager. So I'm going to catch you on my next video. Thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.